Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a life where you wake up every morning with a sense of purpose, with a fire burning inside you that propels you forward toward your dreams. Imagine a life where you don't just go through the motions, but you seize every moment with intention and determination. That, my friends, is the life of someone who knows how to make the most of their time and achieve their goals. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the most valuable resources we have, time. Time is the great equalizer. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, yet some people seem to accomplish so much more than others. Why is that? It's because they understand the importance of managing their time wisely and focusing on what truly matters. First and foremost, if you want to achieve your goals and make the most of your time, you need to have a clear vision of what you want to accomplish. You need to set goals that inspire you, goals that ignite a passion within you and drive you to take action every single day. Without a clear vision and specific goals, you'll find yourself wandering aimlessly through life, wasting precious time on things that don't matter. Once you have your goals in place, the next step is to prioritize your time effectively. You need to learn how to say no to distractions and time wasters and say yes to the things that will bring you closer to your goals. This means setting boundaries, learning to delegate tasks, and ruthlessly eliminating anything that doesn't align with your vision. One of the biggest time wasters in today's world is technology. Don't get me wrong, technology can be a powerful tool when used correctly, but it can also be a massive distraction if you're not careful. How many times have you sat down to work on something important only to find yourself mindlessly scrolling through social media or watching cat videos on YouTube? We've all been there. If you want to make the most of your time, you need to learn to harness the power of technology without letting it control you. Another key to not wasting time in achieving your goals is to develop good habits. Success is not the result of one big action, but rather the culmination of small, consistent actions taken every day. If you want to achieve your goals, you need to cultivate habits that support your vision and propel you forward. This might mean waking up an hour earlier to work on your side hustle, or committing to a daily exercise routine, or dedicating 30 minutes every evening to reading and personal development. Whatever it is, make it a habit and watch as your progress accelerates. But perhaps the most important ingredient in the recipe for success is perseverance. The road to achieving your goals will not be easy. There will be setbacks and obstacles along the way. There will be days when you feel like throwing in the towel and giving up. But it's during those moments of adversity that your true character is revealed. It's during those moments that you must dig deep, find your inner strength, and keep pushing forward, no matter what. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dreams be achieved overnight. But if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to stay focused and disciplined, if you're willing to persevere in the face of adversity, then there is nothing you cannot accomplish. So don't waste another moment. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Seize the day, take control of your destiny, and make the most of every precious moment you've been given. Your dreams are within reach, but it's up to you to make them a reality. Which leads me to the secret that has changed millions of lives. Many people go through life stagnant, never really improving or growing. But to live a truly fulfilled life, one must always work on developing themselves. Why is personal development so critical? For several reasons. Firstly, it is part of human nature to grow. As living creatures, it is ingrained in our very DNA to learn, improve, and evolve. Sitting still goes against our most basic instincts. Humans are built to expand our horizons, take on new challenges, and become better versions of ourselves. To deny this is to deny an integral part of the human experience. Secondly, personal growth keeps us engaged and energized. When we actively work to improve ourselves, whether it's learning new skills, taking up hobbies, or pushing beyond our comfort zones, we feel alive and excited. Challenging ourselves gives each day a sense of meaning and purpose. Without growth, our lives become stagnant and dull. We lose our zest for living. Working on yourself keeps you vibrant. Additionally, personal development is essential for success, no matter how you define it. Those who are static and complacent inevitably get left behind. Growth is what allows people to accomplish their goals. advance their careers, and realize their potential. You simply cannot succeed without persevering to improve. It is the key that unlocks doors to new opportunities. And finally, developing yourself makes you a better person, not just for yourself, but for those around you. When you better yourself, you have more to offer the world. Your friends, family, colleagues, and community all benefit from the best version of you. We owe it not just to ourselves, but to others, to continually grow. Now, personal development manifests in many ways. It can be concrete skills like learning new software or languages. It can be cultivating habits like consistent exercise or reading. It can be gaining knowledge by taking courses or reading books. It can be immersing yourself in new cultures through travel. There are infinite ways we can enrich ourselves. But while the paths we take may differ, the destination remains the same, a better, more fulfilled version of ourselves. We must see self-improvement not as option, but as a lifelong obligation. The instant we stop pushing forward is the instant we start sliding backwards. I urge you see personal growth as a journey without end. Some may question why they should spend time and energy developing themselves, but I ask you this: if you do not invest in yourself, who will? If you do not push yourself, who will? If you do not believe in your own growth, who will? You alone are responsible for your progress and fulfillment. No one can do the work for you. Make a commitment right now to pursue your own continuous improvement. Start that new hobby. Pick up that instrument you've always wanted to play. Learn a new language. Read more books. Set ambitious goals. Feed your mind, strengthen your body, and enrich your spirit. This is how you stoke the fire inside and unleash your untapped potential. Let me leave you with this. Life rewards action. You will only get out what you put in. With each new effort, with each new challenge, you build yourself into the person you want to become. You move yourself closer to the successes you crave, but it starts with you. You must make the conscious decision to better yourself each and every day. When you commit yourself to nonstop personal development, your future will be unbounded. Your growth is never complete. Your improvement never ends. Embrace this mindset, and you embrace a life of unlimited possibilities. Seize this day and every day to make investments in yourself that will yield returns you cannot imagine. I believe in you. Now go show the world the incredible, ever-evolving person you are meant to be.